Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to start Kia Sportage with key step by step. Insert the key into the ignition, turn to accessory and wait for electronics to initialize, then continue turning to start the engine while holding the brake. If the engine does not crank, confirm the transmission is in park or neutral and that the steering wheel is not locked. Always listen for normal startup sounds before driving. Unlock features and safety checks before attempting to start your Kia Sportage. Verify the handbrake is set, headlights are off to avoid battery drain, and that the key fob battery is functional. If the steering wheel is locked, gently wiggle while turning the key. Always ensure no warning lights persist on the dash before driving, and allow a few seconds for electronics to initialize after starting. Practice these steps calmly to avoid accidental damage or battery drain. Please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, Voice Control, Smart Mapping, and Low Profile to reach car seats. It pairs well with detailing tips and keeps your cabin debris-free between trips. Check the description for the link and other deals, then relax and enjoy the next part. Now let's get back to the video. Troubleshooting common issues can save time and stress. If the engine clicks but does not start, try cleaning battery terminals and ensure connections are tight. For no dashboard lights, test the battery voltage or swap with a known good battery. If the immobilizer light is flashing, consult the manual or cycle the key off and on after locking and unlocking the doors with the key fob. If problems persist, contact a qualified technician or roadside service for safe diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.